The EcoSem Act product is really beneficial for us as a concrete producer, and it's very easy for us to batch. When we've completed our trials today, the concrete performed very, very well.
So our part in the project will be to provide some independent verification testing, and we need to give people independent confidence that the materials they are using are fit for purpose and will last a long time. The more we can show that new products such as this meet the relevant standards, produce a workable concrete that is easy to use and not much different than normal concrete, then the more and more people will specify it and want to use it on their projects.
So because this is a new product that falls slightly outside what is currently available, it is important to perform quite rigorous testing to show that it will perform the same way, if not better, than a current product on the market, which is what we're performing with the specimens behind me.
Today we've undertaken live production plant trials at Cricklewood. The concrete's proved to work very successfully. The next stage is to provide concrete for the full mock-up at Wembley to CISC. Whilst we can produce the concrete, it needs to be tested for placeability, finishability, comfortability, etc. So it's critical that that structure will provide a lot more meaningful data for future reference.
So for me personally, it's very exciting because I did my PhD in concrete and I've studied concrete ever since. And so to be developing concretes that I know will be used in real buildings is really exciting.
I've been in the concrete industry for several decades, so I can certainly say the EcoSem Act product is innovative, it's upscalable. If we can get this product off the line, then there's no reason why this can't become a benchmark material.
It's always interesting from my point of view to do a lot of testing of these innovative and new products, and particularly when they have the opportunity to quite significantly reduce the environmental impact of a product in concrete that is currently one of the world's most polluting in terms of carbon dioxide.
If we can show that this product meets all the market expectations, the marketplace for this product is very, very good. Eventually, the target for decarbonising concrete as an industry.
It's up to the whole industry to work together to reduce carbon and the carbon footprint in everything we build, and this is one good way that we can do that.
Today we're here in Wembley Park to mark the completion of our low carbon demonstrator project. CISC is very much a leader in this space already, and we're responding to wider signals from client organisations and the wider industry to make low carbon concrete a mainstream and scalable product.
Concrete is one of the mainstays of construction for high-rise buildings. It's here to stay, and we need to find ways to use that product but to reduce its carbon and its embodied carbon. Innovations like this Demonstrator project are so key to help clients continue to use what is a really important component in construction without impacting on the long-term environment and generations to come.
So from our perspective, there hasn't really been any difference from using conventional concrete. The key thing for us is strength, and from the test results that we saw before we started the project and the tests that have been ongoing throughout the project, the strength is consistent or better than conventional Portland cement based concrete.
Well, the first questions we always get about new technologies: where is it, where has it been used, where's the case studies? So this project has given us an iconic location here in Wembley that everybody knows globally to showcase this and to touch it, to feel it, to jump on it, to test it. So it's really advancing our developments.
The concrete behaves like concrete, it looks like concrete and feels like concrete. So when our contractors have worked with it, it's the same product essentially. The only thing different is there's less carbon in it. So the early age strengths in terms of striking times show promise. The end product and the final compression strengths of the concrete are all showing very promising results.
It's probably the technology that we would be most keen to adapt out of all the mad things we've done over the years, to say the least, because it works. We believe it works in precast. Precast is challenging on turnaround time. Moulds must turn around every time. Yes, if it was available, we would move forward for sure.
Our main goal around decarbonising construction is obviously to introduce products to the market that are lower carbon, but also to promote growth and economic development in the UK. So it's about decarbonisation, but also economic development. What we've been really impressed by this project is its scalability, so how quickly we think the product can come to market and really make a meaningful impact in terms of decarbonising the concrete industry.
This is for the benefit of the whole industry as a whole. You know, it's just been great to see how everybody's kind of rowed in, getting behind this wider, really noble objective of making a real meaningful impact into the carbon that we use on large construction projects.
We're very fortunate to have everybody coming together with the same ambitions to really develop low carbon concrete technologies, something I'm very proud to be part of as an individual and Ecosem as a company.
I'd like to think that we can go to clients and contractors with the results from this project and propose the use of Ecosem ACT. If we've got clients that are seeking innovation and pushing boundaries from a sustainability perspective, we'll definitely be citing this testing regime and this project as sort of evidence that we could look to use this technology.
So this project has brought 7 partners together with a lot of collaboration, and we've all worked together with one purpose, and that is to decarbonise construction and concrete specifically. And if we can achieve that, we can, that's a big difference.
I think innovation and sustainability require someone to be brave, someone to pioneer. And I would say to industry, we can't sit back. We have to take leadership, particularly as clients, because innovation won't happen unless clients push for it. It's not time to sit on the fence, it's now time to be part of the solution to the problem along with industry. So get involved will be my message.